grade is holding perfectly at minus 50 meters.
Confirmed. The next section needs clearing by 1600 H. Push straight ahead, smooth pass right there. Okay, hold it, that looks level. The deviation is less than 2 millimeters here.
Confirmed on the sensor?
That meets the specification. According to the tablet, the precision is confirmed. The rover agrees. Looks like they nailed the specs. The compaction levels here are exactly what we aimed for.
Noted. The irrigation alignment looks perfect as well.
We've reached the required depth. Okay, log the coordinates and prepare for extraction. This one goes into crate 3, track with the afternoon shipment. Acknowledged. Seal applied.
Activity readings confirm the high salinity in these samples.
And the pH levels are stable at 7.
The analysis is complete. All parameters are well within the acceptable range.
Confirmed. The soil integrity.
The flow rate seems consistent at 40 kilograms per hectare. Confirmed. The distribution pattern is holding steady against the crosswind. The spread rate looks consistent here.
Yeah. Confirmed. The black granules are dispersing evenly. I'll note the GPS coordinates.
Maintain speed at 4 kilometers per hour, making sure the fertilizer mix is consistent. We need that deep integration. The blend is perfect. We are ready for planting. Excelente. The soil quality is superb. We need more compost over by the irrigation lines.
I'll bring the next batch now. Watch the depth, careful near the edge.
Slow down slightly, we need full saturation.
We've secured the casing, ready for descent. Copy that.
Proceeding with the bore.
All right, slowly lift it up. Watch the alignment on the left. Clear on this side, keep coming down. All right, the connections are secure. Let's initiate the startup sequence.
Alignment check complete on Sector 4. Readings are stable.
Confirmed. All parameters within tolerance. Safety interlocks engaged.
The pH is stable right at 7.2.
And the TDS looks good too, well within the agricultural standard.
Inspection complete. The system is fully operational and ready.
Confirmed. We can start the irrigation now.
抬起来，快！好的，往左一点儿。对齐了，放。
Keep it steady on the right side. Watch the depth here.
The scan confirms 0 leakage. All systems nominal.
Good. Let's proceed.
The alignment here is perfect, just as planned.
Confirmed. The flow rate is optimal according to the sensor data.
Temperature is holding steady at 25.
And humidity is locked at 80%. We are good to proceed.
These trays are showing excellent uniformity. Look at the root development here.
Yes, data input complete. They are ready for transfer.
The root structure on this one is significantly denser.
Agreed. Logging as type 4.
These look incredibly healthy. The Sukari variety is thriving.
Agreed. The data confirms a 98% germination rate. Excellent results.
The moisture levels look perfect here.
Yes, the drip system is working well.
Drip rate is steady. We are hitting the roots perfectly here.
Noted. Schedule is confirmed.
The fruit set looks good here.
Yeah, Sarah.
Yes, the growth rate increased after the last adjustment.
This yellow flower here is perfect. The drip system is really paying off.
It truly is. The growth across the whole field is remarkable.
Yeah. The color on this leaf looks good, but maybe slightly low on magnesium here.
I agree. I'll update the localized feed schedule.
Basket's almost full.
Okay, I'll grab the next one.
Careful with that one. We need to maintain the quality.
I have the next load ready, heading back now.
Make sure they're snug against the burlap, and we don't want any movement during transport.
Got it. Stacking them tight.
This is a superb harvest, truly healthy plants.
And the final inspection notes are all recorded, Supervisor.
Excellent. We are good to go.
That spacing, okay? Yeah. Perfect. Keep it coming.
Everything looks good to go. No damages found. Perfect.
I've signed the manifest. We are clear for departure. Watch your step right here.
We've got about 50 crates in the back.
All right, let's stack the dark ones right here first.
Are these fresh this morning? They look amazing.
Yes, picked just a few hours ago. Crisp and ready for slicing.
That'll be $3.50, freshly sealed for you.
These look absolutely perfect. All right.
Only the best. Enjoy
Enjoy.
it. We will, thank you.
That will be $2.50.
Here you go.
Thank you.